Unblur Image Online is the fastest and easiest way to fix blurry photos without downloading expensive software or learning complex editing skills. If you've ever taken a photo that looked perfect on your screen but turned out blurry later, this video is exactly what you need. Blurry images happen all the time. It could be caused by camera shake, low light, motion, or even poor focus. And whether it's a photo for social media, a presentation, a website, or a personal memory, a blurry image can ruin everything. But today, I'll show you how to fix that problem using simple online tools that work like magic. Thanks to modern AI technology, you can now sharpen photos, restore details, and increase clarity in just a few clicks. No Photoshop, no paid apps, no editing experience required. These online tools analyze your image, detect missing details, and intelligently rebuild sharp edges, textures, and colors. What used to take hours can now be done in seconds. In the middle of this process, Unblur Image Online tools really shine because they work directly in your browser. You just upload your image, choose the enhancement option, and let the AI do all the hard work for you. Some tools even upscale your photo to HD quality, making it look clearer and more professional than the original. This is perfect for fixing old photos, low-resolution images, screenshots, product photos, or even profile pictures. And because everything is online, you can use these tools on any device, phone, tablet, or laptop. Here's a quick pro tip. For best results, always start with the highest quality version of your image. Even a slightly blurry photo can be dramatically improved when AI enhancement is applied correctly. So instead of deleting your blurry photos, give them a second chance. With Unblur Image Online, you can bring clarity back to your images, make them look sharp, clean, and HD, all for free. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And remember, whenever your photos look blurry, Unblur Image Online is the magic solution you need. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.